Hello. So in order to disable your pop-up blocker, you will be in Chrome browser and you will click on the three little dots in the upper right corner. Then you will go down to settings. You will scroll down all the way to the bottom and find advanced to expand that menu. Then you will look for an option called site settings. Then you will look for pop-ups, and it says pop-ups and redirects. Mine is already marked as allowed, but you will click on it and yours probably would look like this. It would be blocked. So just click the button to make it change to allowed, and then you can just close out of your internet settings. Then you should be able to go back to weekly assignments, into week 1, which is what you're looking for, or whichever week you need. Scroll down and then you will click on your training. So if you don't see your training launch right in front of you, it's probably because it's minimized itself behind the window that you're currently working in. If that happens, you just hover over your browser icon at the bottom and then you will see both of your windows toggled and you can move to whichever one that you need to launch. Let me know if you have any other questions.